Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you some simple tips and tricks on how to lose weight from only dieting. Dieting can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can achieve your weight loss goals. Tip number 1: reduce your calorie intake. The first step to losing weight through dieting is to reduce your calorie intake. Start by calculating your daily calorie needs and then aim to eat 1000 calories less than that per day. This will help you create a calorie deficit and promote weight loss. Tip number 2: choose healthy foods. The second tip is to choose healthy foods that are low in calories but high in nutrients. Focus on eating more fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing your body with the nutrients it needs. Tip number 3: control your portions. The third tip is to control your portions. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you eat too much of them. Use smaller plates, measure your portions, and avoid eating straight from the bag or container. Tip number 4: drink plenty of water. The fourth tip is to drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you feel full, boost your metabolism, and flush toxins out of your body. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Tip number 5: avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Finally, avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. These foods are high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, and can lead to weight gain. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and drinks like water, tea, and coffee. So, there you have it, 5 simple tips and tricks on how to lose weight from only dieting. Remember to be patient and consistent, and you'll start seeing results in no time. Thanks for watching.